Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how to scrap Google Shopping search results. So just to give you an example, I'm going to scrap iPhone 16 Max search results that you see on the shopping tab. This is the details we are going to scrap, and one more phone model, let's say maybe OnePlus 13 Pro. Let's see how to do that. So just go to this third-party scrapper. I have given a link in the YouTube description. You can go ahead and do a free sign up, and then you will be landed here. And once you landed on this page, click on the data pipeline, click on the new project, scroll down to find Google Shopping. So input, you need to give either in the list format, or you can upload a file, or you can use the webhook input. For now, I'm going to use the search term with an option list. I'm going to put the product in a single line. iPhone 16 Pro Max. Next one is a OnePlus 13 Pro. So country code, you have to specify the 2-character country code. I just want to scrap from US region, so just put US here and specify the Google domain. I want to do from .com, so I'll go ahead with .com. Next one is UULE. So UULE is nothing but your geo-targeting location. If you want to get the Google Shopping search results from a particular state or particular region, you can specify the region. For example, I'm going to put New York here. Click on the generate UULE. This is the UULE code for New York City. And number of search results, you have to specify how many number of search results that you need. For now I need 20. And the output format, I want the output to be in CSV. Scrapping frequency, you can schedule a scrapping frequency from hourly up to monthly, but I just want to scrap only once, so I will go with just scrap once. I don't need any notification, so I will go ahead with never and click on the review and start scrapping. Now your scrapper is successfully scheduled, and if you just scroll down, you can see the job is running. It will take a couple of minutes to complete the process. So now you can see it's become green with number 2, which means all the 2 search term is successfully scrapped. Just click on the download CSV. So now the file is downloaded, and here you go. This is for the product OnePlus 13 Pro, and you can see the link, title, source, and the price, extracted price. And if thumbnail is present, you can see the thumbnail, otherwise you will see an empty here. Product href, ID, rating, and the delivery option, and is it an ad or not, ad block position, ad title, ad seller, ad tracking, price, thumbnail, extracted price, and related searches, and the pagination count. So the same goes for iPhone 16 Pro Max as well. And this is the link, shopping link, and the product name, what it has shown, followed by all the details. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, give thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Just give it a try and let me know if you have any doubts or clarifications in the YouTube comments. Thank you. Bye bye.